In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test WooCommerce emails, fast and easy. If you're running an online store, efficient communication with your customers is key, and emails are a big part of that. Whether you're notifying them about their order status, sending them promotional offers, or even resolving their issues, getting emails right is essential. Testing these emails to ensure they look and function properly before they reach your customers can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to test WooCommerce emails effectively. Let's dive right in. First off, we'll need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central command center where you can manage various aspects of your website. On your dashboard, locate and click on the WooCommerce section. This will open up a menu containing different options related to your WooCommerce store. Next, from this menu, click on Settings. WooCommerce settings are where you can configure all your store-related preferences, so having a good understanding of this section can be quite beneficial. Within Settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Emails tab. This is your hub for all email-related configurations. Now, you should see a list of emails that WooCommerce can send on various triggers. These include emails for new orders, canceled orders, customer invoices, and so on. Select one of the emails you want to test. To do this, find the Manage option next to the email you're interested in and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can see various settings for that specific email. Here's where the magic happens. On this email management page, search for the option labeled Send a Test Email. Clicking this button is your gateway to seeing firsthand how the email will look in a real-world scenario. It will send an email to the address specified in the email recipient field, often set to the store owner's address by default. Before proceeding, make sure your email settings, including the recipient, are correctly configured to avoid any accidental dispatch of these test emails to your customers. Once confirmed, click on Send Test Email. Following this, check your inbox to review how the email appears. Look closely at the design, content, and functionality. Make sure images load correctly, the subject line is appealing, and any links within the email direct the recipient to the correct pages on your website. Completing this simple yet crucial process ensures that your emails maintain professionalism and accuracy, providing a seamless experience for your users. This practice helps you spot any formatting issues or content errors before they can impact your customers. So there you have it, a fast and easy method to test your WooCommerce emails. With this knowledge, you can now ensure your communication is consistently polished and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in our next video, where we'll explore more tips and tricks to streamline your WooCommerce store.